Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. 1TB plus 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD. 32GB DDR5 RAM. 12GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphic. The Strix SCAR-16 offers an incredible Nebula HDR display with a 240Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI, P3 coverage, and a staggering 1100 nits of peak brightness for stunning HDR gameplay. The 16-inch, 16:10 aspect ratio mini LED panel boasts over 2000 discrete dimming zones. Camera 720p HD camera. The difference between victory and defeat can be separated by a single keystroke, so the SCAR-16 has a professionally sports-grade keyboard designed to secure the win. Built to last, the Strix SCAR-16's keyboard switches are rated to last over 20 million presses, and N-key rollover guarantees your system will never miss command even if you're pressing multiple keys at once. The SCAR-16 has a full-sized keyboard, with dedicated media controls and dedicated hotkeys that are tuned for volume and Armoury Crate controls by default, but can be customized for different functions or macros. With per-key RGB compatible with Windows dynamic lighting and full Aura Sync customization, the SCAR-16 will always have the looks to match your mood. The Strix SCAR-16's large touchpad also comes with a glass coating for effortless scrolling and a premium feel. Despite still being a 15-inch chassis, the Strix SCAR-16 also now includes a touchpad-based number pad, giving you even more options when using your device. The Strix SCAR-16 is ready to go the distance. Featuring a 90Wh battery, the laptop can easily browse the web for hours away from the wall before needing a recharge. For flexibility on the go, USB Type-C charging is supported up to 100W. When charging using the supplied 330W power adapter, the SCAR-16 can recharge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. The SCAR series is built from the ground up for gamers and, of course, game developers. The Strix SCAR-16 can run all of the latest game engines, enabling you to unlock your creativity and try your hand at making the next great game. Whether you're a digital artist, streamer, video editor, or dabble with animation and game development, the Strix SCAR-16 has all the horsepower you need to take your creations to the next level. Featuring an Intel Core i9 processor and up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPU. Studio quality sound. Dolby Atmos powered speakers include 2 tweeters and 2 downward-firing woofers to create an authentic sound stage for your games. High-res audio ensures you hear your music in the same quality it was recorded. Two-way AI noise cancellation processes both incoming and outgoing audio to filter any errant background noises, making sure that your calls, chats and streams come through without distraction. The good. Refreshed design and sturdy build quality. Good inputs and I/O. Beautiful 1610 mini LED 240Hz display. Significantly more powerful and slightly better cooled than the 2022 generation. Versatile power profiles. Punchy audio with quad speakers. Good value in most markets.